Chapter number 7, Programming with QBasic Introduction. This is next what we saw in the previous chapter. In previous chapter we read about programming languages and see here example of higher level language: basic, logo, Fortran, COBOL, Pascal, etc. Here it is basic. And now in the next chapter, chapter number 7, Introduction with QBasic. QBasic is an advanced form of basic, and in this chapter we will do basic introduction about QBasic. Let's start. We know that computer is a machine that processes the data and give the desired result. The set of instructions given to the computer is called प्रोग्राम. हमने प्रीवियस चैप्टर में भी पढ़ा था कि हमें अगर कोई भी कंप्यूटर में वर्क करना है या उसे इंस्ट्रक्शंस देना है तो हमें वो प्रोग्राम के फॉर्म में देना पड़ता है. दिस इंट्रोडक्शन मस्ट बी रिटन इन अ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज that the computer can easily understand. Computer understand only the programming languages. If you written any program in your language, computer will not understand and it will not support. Okay, now here basic is one such programming language, and basic is the example of one programming language. There are different versions of basic. Means basic is a basic version, or they introduce some other versions also of basic: GW basic, turbo basic, Q basic, visual basic, etc. And in this chapter we will understand what is Q basic. Now what is Q basic? Q basic is one of the version of basic. Q basic basic का ही एक one version है. Q basic stand for quick beginner all purpose symbolic instructions code. This programming language is only for beginners, and if you are trying to start, you want to make a program but you don't know anything about it, so you can use QBasic because it's very easy to understand. Some of its features are: it is a simple computer language, means you can easily understand it. It is very easy to learn and use. You can learn it very easily and use it also. It uses English like words and mathematical symbols to write programs. If we write any program in QBasic, we have to use only some English words and mathematical symbols. It is a high level programming language. High level programming language means you can easily understand this language. It helps us to write, edit and execute program. Means when we execute our program and there are if any error, so you can easily find the error with this programming language. Now starting QBasic. How to start QBasic in our computer? Look for the QBasic icon on your desktop and double click on it to start it. Look here, it's our desktop, and here shortcut to Microsoft QBasic version 4.5. It's a 4.5 version of QBasic. QBasic window appears with a welcome message. Look, here is a welcome message from QBasic. Welcome to MS-DOS QBasic on the screen. When you open it 4.5 version, the welcome message does not appear in QBasic 7.1. If you are opening 4.1 version, then they will show you this welcome message, but if we open QBasic 7.1, they not give us this welcome message. And after read this welcome message, we have to click on press escape to clean this dialog box. Press escape key to clean the welcome message box, and the follow window QBasic appear. Type the program as shown in the given picture. Now this is our workspace where we have to write our program. Look, title bar means the name of the software, Microsoft QBasic version 4.5. Menu bar, it display the commands menus. You can edit, file, view, search, run, debug, cause and other options. Status bar show it display the current status of the program file and some keyboard shortcut. You can see some keyboard shortcut, copyright and QBasic version also. Here immediate mode, when we can type a single command and run it to check its output. If we want to check one single programming line, so you can write write the line here and you can find the result. You can run it. Program mode, where we write programs. In this screen we have to write our program and run it. Now in QBasic, the interpreter execute the program line by line. If it find any error, it display an error message and stop the execution. Means this programming language is very easy, because when we write 3 steps and if step 4 is wrong, तो ये फर्स्ट सेकंड एंड थर्ड स्टेप तक प्रोग्रामिंग रन होगी, बट आपकी फोर्थ जो स्टेप होगी जो रॉन्ग है वहाँ पर एरर आ जाएगी और आपका मैसेज, आपको वहाँ पे एक मैसेज डिस्प्ले होगा एरर का। मीन्स आप इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं कि हमारी फोर्थ स्टेप में एरर है और फिर हम उसे क्लियर कर सकते हैं।